This is a dancing lesson, where an adolescent male learns dancing techniques from a mature elder. Such behavior has been observed among birds of paradise, a species closely related to bowerbirds. Following the display, the male approaches the female and pecks her throat. He then tries to mate with her, but appears to fail once again. This adult appears agitated by the presence of a young male visitor. In addition, another bird with deep black eyes arrives. The adult becomes more and more aggressive. The black-eyed bird enters the bower, and the adult begins his dance. As soon as the previous pair leave, another young adult male with a green-coloured back arrives on the scene. The adult starts a courtship dance towards the younger male. One of the greatest animal performances on the planet. Despite discovering a whole host of incredible new findings, Tadashi is still unable to entirely solve the mystery surrounding the flame bowerbird's courtship dance. The more unique behavior he witnesses, the more questions arise, and the more mysterious these magnificent birds become. But it's this journey into the unknown that drives Tadashi to continue his lifelong quest, to understand nature and to witness such extraordinary events